Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt in an electric pressure cooker. First, sterilize milk by heating to 180 degrees F, then cool to 110 degrees F, and stir in 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt as starter. Pour into jars, use the yogurt setting, or a low 110 degrees F incubate for 6 to 12 hours, and check texture. Chill for at least 4 hours before serving and enjoy homemade, creamy yogurt with your favorite toppings. Gather whole milk, plain yogurt starter, a thermometer, and jars. Warm the milk to 180 degrees F to kill unwanted bacteria, stirring gently to prevent scorching. Cool to 110 degrees F before whisking in 2 tablespoons of starter per quart, ensuring even distribution. Pour into clean jars, seal loosely, and set up the electric pressure cooker with a trivet and water for gentle incubation. This careful prep, place jars on a trivet inside the pressure cooker with 1 cup of hot water beneath. Use the yogurt function if available, or set to maintain about 110 degrees F for consistent incubation. Incubate for 6 to 12 hours depending on desired tartness and thickness, checking only at the end to avoid temperature loss. Once set, chill the yogurt at least 4 hours to firm up, then enjoy plain or with fruit and honey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.